Hi everyone, Ponez here, and in this video I'm going to show you a backtest session of how I trade. I'm not profitable yet, that's why I'm recording this video so I can watch it later. If you wanna watch my journey, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I try to post a backtest video every day until I become consistently profitable. So let's do it. Press to count the H4, inducement, tapped something here, and then it started going up. And now press to count this H1. Now the H1 is here, the inducement. Yeah, the H1 is here, and here will be the efficiency for H1. This huge candle here, kind of weird. This is a daily liquidity. This one as well. This is H4. So it doesn't matter anymore because we broke. Took out them 5, went up. Where was them 5? Them 5 was here. Then we took all of this, tapped something here. Tapped this. I'll mark this as well, just so I'd be aware of that. Press to stop at this. Kinda weird. But it's a high time frame POI above this liquidity. Could even do the hidden base, mark the hidden base. Then 5 is here, and just here. Oops, and then here. Then it came down. From here to here, broke. And now it's very confusing. Just here, here, here. From here to here, broke. Broke, came down, broke again. Broke, came down. No, it broke here, made equal highs. It broke here, came down. I don't know, I think it's from here to here. And this would be the confirmation entry. Maybe this. Maybe something like this. The confirmation entry. This was the manipulation. Went to the extreme. This will be the confirmation of the confirmation. Because the first one was M5. Here. We went to the extreme of this leg. And here, maybe here was an entry. Something like this. We didn't take it out. We went to the last liquidity. We came up, came down. This will be the confirmation, like this candle. Like this. And now this is another entry, like this, maybe even here. But this is not an engulfing. So I'll keep this. I'll wait a little more actually. If it gives a candle, yeah, like this. Let's try this one. It don't work. Can I short? Yes, I can short. Short here. Short here. Now short here maybe. Yeah, let's try this short as well. Too bad we don't have the long. But whatever. Let's see. The first long here was a nice one because I would still be in it, but it was 2:36 in the morning, so no way to take it. Now can I long here? Maybe somewhere around here. Oh, look at this price action. Maybe I should change my target to there. Just because price is not breaking any sides. Well, actually it seems like he broke the low from here to here, then he came all the way to the top and broke this, but this one is still in play. And so maybe this one can hold still. I don't know. Maybe I should put this in break even. Okay. The short ended up working. Maybe price will come back here, down there. Do I want to short again? There was this manipulation. Tapped the 50% of the bigger POI and gave a rejection. But the stop loss will be pretty huge. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Another one, basically the same thing. Yeah, this one looks better. I just don't know if this is a good short, because we took this liquidity. Broke, came down, broke, came down. This area was mitigated. We stopped here. So maybe this was the area too long. This was mitigated. There was a gap here, tapping this POI. These liquidities above this POI. I don't know. Maybe this can break. Let's see. Yeah, it seems like it's going to break. What the fuck? Okay. Took a little while but broke. can do anything. This didn't do anything. So this daily, I have to wait for M5, at least this one. Okay, took this. There was a POI. Kind of a rejection. Very big wick. So maybe I can do like this. And below this, there's only all the way down here. Maybe price can come down there. I don't know. Let's see. And to short this, I can short here. Yeah, here is pretty bad. I'll try like this. My stop is above this because there is no liquidity to take there. My TP is here, just a little bit above this POI. Don't know if it will go there. This will be the correct TP. 2R. Maybe I should exit here. Actually. Okay. Broke. No. Thank God I changed my TP to here. What the fuck? We came all the way up. Oh, we came down anyways. No way to trade here because the broke was here. There was no manipulation. Oh, this was pretty weird manipulation, but this is valid because this was the range. Came here, broke. Came here and broke. Then it was from here to here, the inducement. So this was a valid manipulation, I think. Yeah, but this trade was pretty kind of hard to see. This was another 2.5R that I missed. Very hard trade to see. I almost never see trades like this, so I'm not used to seeing. M5 manipulation. Extreme of the POI. It's kind of far, but along here I think it's kind of valid. This would be the closest POI, this would be the extreme. Like this engulfing, maybe? I don't like this momentum, very strong to the downside. I prefer to short somewhere here. Yeah, let's just wait. Kind of far to the M5. So now it took this, I think it's H1 inducement. So if you wanna long, this is the M5. One, two. Okay, long here. And short here. This short I wouldn't try to do like this, because it took H1. So maybe we are going to go up. Maybe this one I can target here. Oh, fuck. The day is over. Seems like it's going to break up. Oh, never mind. I think I should put this in break even. Should I? No. Let's see what happens. Okay, now that I tap this, maybe I should. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, what the fuck? Ended up working. Let's see if it's going to break this low. Oh, wow. You actually ended up breaking this. Maybe because of the daily liquidity. H1 liquidity is not strong enough to push price higher. Daily is stronger than H1. So M5 manipulation following the daily liquidity taken. Pretty nice. Okay, so let's see. And this was too early. This first long was nice. Almost took the target. Unfortunately didn't take it. Oh, never mind, I forgot. We actually got stopped here. and then prices efficient through both sides. So try to place the trade on the extreme. So that's what I did here. The short ended up playing out. We tap this POI. No way to through long here, I think. This was just an unmitigated POI, but the M5 was kind of bearish here. I don't know, maybe if you... I see this as liquidity tapping this POI, but I don't have a rule to take a trade from here. Because the M5 was here, like these are not connected. There's no logic to see the break here and try a long random here, you know. So yeah, this short was fine. Following this M5 ended up not working, which is cool. To cut the daily, I waited for M5 manipulation. I think I said this before, but I think the daily liquidity, I shouldn't do the M5 like high time frame, and then I have to wait for M5 manipulation because the daily is too far from M5. So it should be like M15 or maybe H1. H1 I think would be better. For example, if we took the daily, jump one, the second one, skip one, and the second one. The same thing that I do on H1, I skip the M15 and use the M5. It's the same stuff. So this would be, since we took daily, I should wait for the H1 inducement, tapping the POI. In this case didn't work, but that's not the point. The point is to follow the same stuff the same way that I do with the M5 and H1. So I could have tried a long here. Maybe targeting here or here, but in this case it was a stop loss anyways. But that's cool. And then here it worked because H1 to M5 is closer. And yeah, it worked. So let me just see the other ones. To cut the daily, M5 was here, 1, 2, or even if you counted this, like 1, closed here, 2, that's why I shorted here. Oh yeah, I forgot about this short that we talked about the previous video. No liquidity to be taken, that's why I used my stop loss above the 50%. Worked nicely. If I tried this, it was going to work also, because we didn't break this, but whatever, 2R is okay. And then this one I missed because I didn't see this manipulation. We broke, came back and broke again. So this was a nice manipulation. Kinda hard to see, I'm not used to it. And then we broke H1, waited for M5, and this was another normal entry. Could have held to here following the daily, but I didn't think about it. This was more than enough, 2.36R. Yeah, this is nice. Let's see. 3.84R, 6 trades. Cool. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks so much for watching. God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.